Most items when deleted in the system actually are not fully deleted, but instead go into settings, trash. And that is useful because rooms can be restored when they are in the trash. Rooms, rate plans, and many other things. So just as an example, click into your room. Say you decided to delete this room. Click OK. Now, if you needed to restore it, go over to the Settings tab, Trash. Rooms are under the Properties tab. And now we can find the room that needs to be restored. And then click Restore. Currently, we do not move deleted reservations to the trash. So keep that in mind. We're thinking about adding that as a future feature. To fully delete something from the trash, go into the trash. Select the items to delete, and then click the orange button, Delete Selected. And there is no undo on this process.